Hey folks, back with another unboxing. As you can see, pretty simple. Jump starter J302. The brand is AUXITO, AUXITO. Um, Basically, you can tell from what this is. This is one of these portable power pack jump starters. When you're on the go, when you're on the road, even though I have my workshop, if I have to go somewhere and simply jump a car that sometimes had a good battery, left the lights on, battery run down. This is the more portable and easier way to go. So let's get right into it. You can see this is its design. Looks like it has a light on the front. Again, let's get right into it. First time I'm opening the box, so I'm opening it in front of you. And as I would expect, the box is just a box, is just a box. And what it is this pretty nice case, branding on the front. Feels good enough that I can even drop it and it'll protect its content. Has the hand strap on the bag. Zip it open. This should be pretty straightforward and simple. We have what amounts to the user manual. Let's put that aside. Let's go in the top here first and see what we have. We have what would be the positive and negative terminals and the brick that plugs into the device. And we have a carrying strap. I guess you can hang it. I believe you can hang this somewhere with the device. I'm not 100% sure. And the USB A to C charging cable for the device. So let's go into the device, which has to be here, right? It's a pretty simple unboxing. Let me get this plastic off. Everyone seems to use this plastic, and I get it, but I hate it. I'll keep the case in play because it's easier here. So what we have here in front is a light, and I believe it's a light that can be articulated. It looks like it can be lifted here. At least it seems that way, so let me see if I can do it. It seems like there's a hinge here and the ability to lift it here, right? So without me there you go. So if you're working and you need the angle of light to be different, although I'll show you, this doesn't have much ability in the hinge to really, it's holding it, but I would think it would be stiffer than that. Anyway, that's our light. On the back here are your connectors. They're covered by a rubber flap, which is usual par for the course. We open that up, and what we have here is the connectors, right, that goes right in there for the cables. I see a light blinking, so maybe I started something, who knows. It has a USB A, which would be to charge other accessories via the batteries built into here, and a USB C for charging this. And there's a power button with the 4 LED indicators, which means that each indicator is for 25%. I'll press it just to see if it has any power built. It usually does. And there, the flashlight came on. And as you can see, the flashlight is both sides, and both sides can be flipped out, right? Just so you know, you can open this side on the flashlight, and you can open this side, all right? And it's got 3 out of 4 lights right now, so it's 75% charged, but it's brand new, so obviously I will charge it. So that's it. That's the entire device, the AUXITO jump starter. I've got a car out on the street that one of my family members' cars has been sitting there all winter. I have to believe it, even though it had a newish battery, that it may need a jump start. I'm going to charge this up, and this is one of those cases where I'm hoping it needs a jump start, so I can take this out there and show you how it works. And then you can read the entire review using the link in this description of this video.